Hello, my YouTube friend. We're back in the store and we got a lot of cleaning and organizing to do. Let me give you a shop update. Okay, so my record guy on last weekend dropped off a whole bunch of records, which we priced out already, but I have to put them into the bins. But he brought a box of just really good stuff. You know, Pink Floyd, Led Zeppelin, Rolling Stones, Beatles, that kind of stuff. So that kind of stocks me up with better records. He also loaded me up with a pile of Trolls that we priced out, but I gotta hang up. Gotta find room for that. Over here, I've been digging out the front here because I just want to finally clean this up and have room in the front for merchandise instead of like just a random storage. I did have one guy bring in a pile of crappy comic books that are in bad condition yesterday. I gave him like 25 bucks because there's a couple of things. Like these three here are kind of better comics. Not in the best shape, but better than the rest. And then a lot of the stuff is just going to go into the dollar bin. But yeah, I got to sort through all that stuff. I want to get this clean. That's our last pull-up doll in the shop, so I decided to finally restock those. So I have about 50 on the way. They're like $150 to $200 now retail, but I wanted to get a bunch more of those stored. We used to sell a ton, and I've been meaning to get them in the shop, and it feels like it's about right. So I'm going to clean up this whole area because I want to put all the pull-up dolls like right down here. And I got to clean up the counter here just so I have a little bit more room for merchandise. It's so messy right now. We have a whole bunch of these 10-inch Galactuses now. I bought a bunch a couple days ago. I've been hanging more and more stuff up just because we're running out of room. We're selling a lot, but I'm also buying a lot. So we have a whole bunch of Funko Sodas hanging up right there. Oh, and I put a new shelf up there. I had an extra shelf that I had. I decided to just put it up so I have a little bit more room for the 10-inch pops. And I have to find somewhere to put these Green Lantern lanterns because they're big and they're going to take a while to sell. I'm just not sure. I might like put some up there maybe. Not 100% sure. I might try to put some like up there. I have to take those lights out. When the electrician installed them, they never worked really well, so we just don't use them because they don't turn on anymore. So I might just take those down just so I have a little bit more room on the top there. Down this aisle, we've been selling a lot of stickers. This box is almost cleared out and the wall is starting to thin out, so I might have to reorder stickers soon. I still have these little piles of figures I gotta bag up. I just don't have room. I feel like a lot of pops are selling, but a lot of the other stuff is just not selling anymore. Which is a little bit of a shame, because I like selling all the vintage toys and stuff. This shelf has room. Like, I need to get some more anime stuff. I can organize that. Oh, I got a whole bunch of these art series pops in. Those are going to take a while to sell, I think. Yesterday, I organized the top here. So those are all organized. What do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes out on the floor, but they're all like half full. So I feel like if I condense and sort those a little bit, I could actually probably pull the boxes off the floor today. I've been working on this clutter a little bit too, so this is thinning out a little bit. I need anything that's like a clutter pile, I need to get priced and put out for sale, just so that more of it sells. And I just like this bin, as you can see, I pulled a bunch of stuff out and I organized it. That's kind of what I've been working on. I think this is the last record box that needs to go on the other side. I just don't have space for it yet. I have to wait for half a box more records to sell, and then I'll have space for it. And just some more clutter. I decided to do a mystery box. I'm trying to find a way to sell pops to people, but when I sell individual pops or people give me a list or ask for a specific pop, it takes me way too long to find it. So I can't do that. I just don't have the time to do that. But I thought I could do a mystery box. That's an actual mystery box that would be pretty easy for me to do, and I think it'd still be fun. So the mystery boxes are going to be $60 plus $5 for shipping. I'll cover like half the shipping. It'll probably be like $10 to $15 to ship them, but I'll only charge $5. So for $60, you're going to get $60 minimum value. So you're going to get at least your $60. In some cases, I'll probably give you some more. And what it's going to be made up of is I'm going to take one pop that's worth $20 to $40 out of this case. Something that I think is kind of cool, but maybe it's been here for a little while. So I might take, I don't know, like Agent Venom, that's $22. Or I might take like a Wasp Chase or something that's the $20 to $40 range, just to build the box around. So you're getting like one really cool pop. It'll basically depend on which pop I want to build the box around. And then I'm going to get 2 to 4 pops out of this section. What I'm going to grab is pops that I just either overstock, you know, pops I have too much of, but I don't think, like, maybe like this Drax. He's a cool pop, but I might have a few too many of him. So I might grab something like that. Or I'll grab... Maybe I'll grab this Colossus because he's not selling, but I think he's a cool pop. You know, I'll grab something that I think is cool. Not something like sports stuff, because that's a very specific taste. And nothing like, you know, oddball. Like, it might be Star Wars or Marvel or Disney or Probably not video games, because I feel like video games are very specific to people's taste. So basically, you're going to get 1 pop over for the beta section, and then 2 to 4 pops from this section, and it'll add up to about $60. In some cases, it's going to be a little bit more than that. And it's going to be, like, if I do 4 pops, it's going to be 2 pops that are, like, kind of these nicer pops, and then maybe 2 pops that I'm kind of overstocked with, just so that I can get rid of a few of my overstocked pops. But everything's going to be in great shape. And, I'm not going to give you, like, Valerian Pops or Dumb and Dumber Pops or Independence. Like, the really bad stuff, I might give you a Seinfeld Pop, because I think Seinfeld's pretty cool. I might do Mad Max just because I love Mad Max. Maybe Simpsons, you have something cool like that. So the overstock Pops will probably be stuff that I think is kind of interesting. I just have too much of. But I'm going to avoid giving you, like, the worst of the worst Pops. Oh, and every pop will be in like new or very minimum wear. They'll be in good shape, basically. I'm not going to give you any damaged pops. So it's $65 for the box. If you want a box, just let me know in the comments below. Be like, I want to buy one of your mystery boxes, and I'll give you my PayPal information, and I'll sell you a box. Now, this is for US only. If you're outside the US, you'll have to pay the additional shipping, which is probably about, I think like $25 if I do 3 pops. And I'll try to do a 3 pop $60 box, basically. So it'd be $85 US if you're out of the country for a $60 box. I also still have my robots if you want to buy one of these. They're $35 shipped in the US, and I'll sign it for you. I have silver and I have glow in the dark. If you want both the silver and the glow in the dark, it's $65 for the pair. And that you can let me know in the comments below if you want to buy one of my robots, and I'll send you my PayPal information. I'm also doing signed pops still if you want like a ridiculous chrome pop, or like one of the Lucha Libres, just because these will not sell for me. I won't let you pick out. It's just going to be random, just because I want it to be a fun, easy thing for me to do. I still have a nice yellow Thanos I put up here for signing. And if you do want one of the Ridiculous Pop signed by me, shipped to the US for $15, let me know in the comments below, and I'll give you my PayPal information. I have a little collection coming in from John today. He's about to drop it off, so I think that's the next thing we're going to work on, and then I'm going to clean the front. Or that's what my day plan is, just to organize and get as much of the front done today. All right, so I have 6 boxes here from John. He's trading this stuff in today. Let's take a look. He sold a bunch of stuff the other day. I didn't film that, but it's in the shop, so there are new things. But this is just all the extra stuff he decided he wanted to get rid of. So it looks like we have a bunch of t-shirt sets, which are super cool. We have a couple of the Mandalorian ones with Moff Gideon. We have the Superman one. Yeah, it comes with the Superman pop. That's super cool. We have a Grogu one, which I think is just a shirt without a pop. And then we have, oh, the really cool Bugs Bunny Blu-ray set that comes with the diamond bugs. Love that one. That one's cool. I love the sets that come with media. I wish they would do that more often. Like when they do the record sets, I kind of wish they came with a record. Charge an extra 10, 20 bucks. That's a cool set. Oh, and then the He-Man set. Oh yeah, those are cool. Those will sell really well. We have a PS4 Star Wars controller, which he said he opened but never used. You just had it on display, I guess. So that's cool. So that has some value to it. Probably not as much as when it was new, but someone will still want that. All right, let's see what we got in this box. Okay. Oh, we have the cool 4-pack. I like this guy right here. So Amazon exclusive, the Concept Series. Those are really neat. We got a couple of those actually. Those are really cool. I actually don't have those yet. The glow in the dark Sylvie from the Loki show. Love that one. That one's cool. Oh, we have some Mega Man mystery boxes. Although they look like they're open resealed. So I'll have to double check what those are. 3 of those. Mandalorian, the Valentine's Day one. I think PPG is way higher than they're actually worth because they're still available. From the Matrix, we have the Analyst. That's cool. We have a couple of those. And then we have more of these Valentine's ones, which I love. The Ahsoka. I might end up keeping that one just because I love Ahsoka. She is cool. And Luke with Grogu. Love that one. Those are cool. Oh, and then we have a couple of the Bates and Thomas from One Punch Man. Those are amazing. I love those. Okay, those are super cool. Those are going to sell well in the shop. Okay, and then we have... Alright, let's see what's in this box. Oh, we have the... Was it the pre-release Patronus Severus Snape? That one's neat. I love that pop. I think it's just a really cool looking pop. What do we have here? The Amazon Ahsoka. She is super cool. And Qui-Gon Jinn. He is neat. Love Qui-Gon. I'm glad they came out with another version of him. It's so hard to get those earlier versions. The Funko Shop Bo-Katan. That one's fun. We have the classic Loki. That one's fun. Oh, we have another triple pack, but a different triple pack. So the Force Ghost triple pack from Return of the Jedi. That is really neat. And then we have the Black Series Batman. Love that one. And the Art Series Thanos, or Infinity Stone Thanos. That one's actually kind of neat looking. I don't absolutely hate that one. Okay, and then we have one more in here. Oh, we have the Doctor Strange Supreme. That is really cool. I love that one. Love the movie. We just saw it a couple days ago. Not going to spoil though. Just going to say I really enjoyed it. I don't know why people say they didn't enjoy it. I personally enjoyed it. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, these are a whole bunch of the mystery boxes. Oh wait, no, there's a couple individual pops at the bottom here. Okay, we have the Wade Wilson from the terrible, you know, well, the Wolverine movie wasn't too terrible, but this Deadpool is terrible. It's like a B movie, B minus maybe. Ra's al Ghul, that's cool. Love that one. What If? So we have, let's put the pin in the middle here. We have the Peggy Carter pin, the Collector, and Post-Apocalyptic Black Widow. That's a cool set. Okay, we have the X-Men 20th Anniversary box, which is, I think, undervalued because I love the Mystique in this box, and the Logan's pretty cool too. So that one's cool. Okay, and then the Lucha Libre set. I believe it's 3 pops, yeah. This set just does not sell well for me. But someone might want it. I'm probably going to keep it as a set, just because individually, they just do not sell for me. I think I have a whole bunch in the shop. Okay, we got, we got Cobra Kai, Daniel LaRusso, and Johnny. Those are cool. So we have a little bit better, more semi-grails. Happy to see those. Yeah, those are cool. The new season, I think, comes out in a couple months, or they're filming it or something. I don't know. I'm excited to see where seasons are. I really enjoy the show. We have the IG-11 with Grogu, or 88. No, it's IG-11. I'm correct. And that one is super cool. I don't think I have that one yet. We got a couple of those. We have a lot of these t-shirt sets. Ghost Panther. That is neat. I do like these zombie ones. They don't really have value now, but I think they could have value, especially if they do like a TV series or a movie or something. But that's cool. Zombie She-Hulk. I think Jenny was looking for that in the past, but she ended up getting it. So I don't think she needs it anymore. All zombie guys. So it's like practically the whole set here. That is neat. And then we have the Zombie Hulk. Okay, and then, ooh, okay. This is neat. We have a Dragon Ball Fighter Z Fig Pin. She looks really fun. And then we have a couple t-shirts. What shirt is this? Oh, that's a Shawarma shirt. Oh, that's cool. And then this Wally set is super cool. That I'm actually going to keep. I absolutely love Wally. One of my all-time favorite animated movies. That is cool. I haven't seen that before. All right, lots of fun stuff in that collection. Not like maybe 2 semi-grails, not anything like really big, but it's cool stuff for the shop. I'm going to price that out, and then I'm going to get to work cleaning it up. All right, let me get to pricing, though. All right, it's been a really busy day today. We sold a lot. I got some work done. I want to kind of give you an update of what's going on in the shop. So I pulled all the boxes out of this corner so I can work on it. It's still very dusty and chaotic on the bottom of the shelf. So tomorrow I'm going to dust and try to organize and clean all these shelves and just make this area look nicer. I have a bunch of old, like, beat up pops. So these, I'm just going to make a damaged pop section in the back of the shop. That way I got to clean up this shelf a little bit. But this will give me more room in the shop. I think once this is all cleaned up, I'll be able to put a lot more stuff there. I do have like 9 boxes and bins in the front right here. This is just all the stuff I pulled out of the front. And I've been trying to price it and get it out, but there's still a lot in the way. I have to deal with all that. So I'm going to be working through that. It's going to be busy because Saturday's always the busiest day of the week. So it's going to be busy in the shop, But hopefully I can get all of this kind of organized throughout the day as we're selling. I still have to price this box of comics. That's been there forever. And I have some other stuff here that I got to price out. And this mess is everywhere. I'm making progress though. I'm really happy I was able to kind of clear out this area. I'm going to get a lot done tomorrow, I think, right there. And then, let's see, we sold probably about 90 pops today, which is a lot, but the boxes are kind of chaotic. The shelves are kind of chaotic. So I might come in early tomorrow before we open and get that organized. If not, I might just let people dig, and then just wait till Monday to organize. I did get the whole top here all organized, so that's good. And what else did I do over here? Oh, yeah, I got the one Green Lantern, the green one, put right there, right in front, because that's super cool. And I got the yellow one right there. I couldn't figure out which shelf was big enough for the red one, so I'm going to work on that tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm going to try to get rid of at least 2 or 3 of these bins. It's stuff that I have to price out. Like, this is actually priced out stuff, but I have to find space to actually hang it up. So what I need to do is just kind of like organize that shelf, make some room there, try to organize all this, make some room there. And I might actually, tomorrow, I might move the stickers from here to the front to make it easier to get to the stickers, and then just put a whole bunch of toys right there. That's what I might do, because I still have that bin to price out, and this bin, and that bin. I have all these bins or trays of figures that need to be just, you know, priced and hung up in bags, basically. Making progress. I also started putting some nicer figures into the pop boxes because I figure they're cheap enough. If I have like a $20 figure, it actually kind of looks nice in the box. So I think I'm going to do that for now on for like $10, $15 figures. Just so it looks nicer and I can kind of stack them and all that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm really tired, so it's time to close up. I'm really happy I was able to get a little bit of a video done today, though, because I kind of miss doing the videos. And I think if a lot of you guys get the mystery boxes and I'm able to sell a bit more pops, I'll be able to buy more pops. If I'm able to buy more pops, then I could do more videos. That's kind of the whole cycle of all of it. It'd be fun to get back to daily, so I got to figure a way to get the algorithm happy again. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, watch it twice, all that kind of fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.